Look, I'm sick of getting jerked off.
Relax, Pally. I got a beat on the guys. I just got to make sure you're not a federal, that's all. I mean, hey, I'm not a choir boy, but I'm not a snitch.
You haven't given me shit on these two scumbags yet. And I'm no Fed.
Hey, listen to me. Who knows? Even J. Edgar Hoover wore broad's clothing.
Well, I'm no Fed. This is something personal. And I keep hearing these two scumbags are in town.
Not yet. But in a couple of days, they call for work.
How much?
The usual.
I'll be in touch.
Hey, Bozo. I forgot your name.
J. Edgar Hoover.